Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, June 15, 2022. Today is the day of the FOMC announcement. The market's been selling off, and we are coming into the announcement this afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. So today, what we'll be looking at is what has happened historically on the day of the FOMC announcement in a weaker market environment. Let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup's based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now for this study, I'm going to go down to the Market Events library, and I'm going to go to the Active Today section, and I'm going to click on FOMC Announcement. That's right there. I've grabbed that. It comes from our Market Events, the day of Market Events, which is the center section here, and that has been added to the test. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the Indicators library, up just a couple here, and I'm going to say that yesterday closed below a 200-day simple moving average. So that's available here at the Active Today section near the bottom. I'm going to click on that. You can see it's been highlighted there for the below, and it's been added to the test, and that's everything I'm going to use for this test. Normally I'll go in and add a 10-day simple moving average and an opening location, but I want to keep as many samples as possible for this test, so I'm going to keep it a little bit more simple and just look at it as FOMC announcement day below a 200. All right, let me go ahead and click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the markets long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is the day of the FOMC announcement and the prior session closed below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 32 samples here in the S&P dating back to 2003. For the NASDAQ, there's 28 samples. For the Dow, 31 samples. For the Russell, 40. If we look at the win rates, they're all coming in at least a little bit favored, with the S&P at 63% of these closing above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, we've got 71%. For the Dow, 58%. And the Russell, the strongest, at 75%. If we look at the average moves, the average win larger than the average loss in the S&P. That's not the case in the NASDAQ, which has a larger average loss. The Dow has a larger average win. The Russell has a larger average loss. So we're mixed on the average moves. Two of them have had larger average moves to the upside. Two have had larger average moves to the downside. But all four of them have win rates that are at least mildly favored, with the Russell being the strongest of the group on this FOMC announcement day. Before I sign off, I wanted to let you know I will not have a daily IQ tomorrow or Friday. I will be out of the office. We'll come back next week. Monday is a market holiday, so the daily IQ will return on Tuesday of next week. Good luck today, guys. We'll see you next time.